How to use credits on Cnfans. Now this method is very easy and very quick. All you have to do at first is of course open up your Cnfans application and ensure that you're using the latest version of the app. In here, make sure that you're already logged in into your account so that you should be able to use your credits. Now at the lower right portion of your Cnfans app, go into account and then tap on your current balance and then switch it into coupons, and this is where you can redeem and use the credits. To use that, to simply use your preferred web browser and go ahead and visit Hall. That's going to be hallfans.com. Now, it is usually at the very first result right here. And then choose the specific product where you would like the credits to be redeemed. Copy the code and then go back into your Cnfans. Um, Enter it here and go on confirm. And that's it. That's basically how you use your Cnfans credits.